Morning, y'all.
Good morning.
It's not morning.
Oh, it's not?
Oh, it's night.
Yeah, it is still nighttime. I gotta tell y'all something, though.
What?
And I just don't want y'all to be too upset.
What? And it's not.
Okay.
It's not morning.
Yeah, it's not morning. It's still nighttime. It's very, very early. So, I got really hungry last night. Sophie and Claudia. Claudia, can you move closer to your sister? Your bottom. Move your bottom over. Anyway, I got really hungry last night. And I ate all the Halloween candy.
That's okay. Did you eat ours?
Yeah.
No, don't eat ours.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do y'all forgive me?
Did you eat all of our candy?
I did. I was so hungry.
Why did you eat all of any other thing?
I did. I ate it all. Sophie, what's the matter? All right. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I didn't eat your candy. I didn't eat any of your candy.
So what did you eat?
Huh?
I'm not hungry no more.
Yeah, I wasn't hungry.
So you didn't eat anything.
I didn't eat any of your candy.
And you didn't eat anything.
Mm-mm.
Not even a whole box of Mommy cereal.
No.
Mom, that was funny.
It was funny. Are you okay, Sophie?
Yeah.
Look at Mommy. Are you mad at me? Huh?
I love you.
You love me?
Yeah. She's not mad at you because it wasn't real.
All right. I love you guys.
I love you too. Yeah. So you were just in here to tell us a joke?
Yeah. Do you like when I joke?
Yeah. Except for the make me cry part.
Oh, sorry about that.
Maybe you should have just said I ate nothing.
I did at the end.
You meant at the beginning. You did not a candy?
What?
You did not eat all candy?
No, I did not eat your candy.
Not any candy or anything?
Nope.
So the candy that's on the table is still there? You want a sandwich?
Yeah, I ate a sandwich.
You were hungry?
Yeah, I was hungry.
So you were really hungry. See what is a sandwich? I know.
Okay, I love you guys.
I want to eat. Was it peanut butter and jelly?
No, it was turkey.
Oh.
I have to go to work today.
Mom, this would be a good time to see what the old lady next door brought us.
Well, we'll do that later. I love y'all. Say bye. Put your legs down. Bye. Say bye to the camera. Any words of wisdom?
What are words of wisdom?
Smart things that you want to say for the day? Put your sit Indian style. Sit like this.
I love my mommy and daddy and my sister and my brother and my whole entire family.
Okay.
And my teachers.
Cool. Sophie, do you
and
have...
my friends in my class.
Okay.
And
Sophie, do you have anything you want to say?